Today we will be learning about the OI and OY sound. OI says oi. OI is normally at the beginning or middle of a word. OI says oi, like in oil. See how the OI is at the beginning of the word? OI says oi, like in coin. See how the OI is in the middle of the word? OI says oi, like in soil. See how the OI is in the middle of the word? OY says oi. OY is normally at the middle or end of a word. OY says oi, like in boy. See how the OY is at the end of a word? OY says oi, like in loyal. See how the OY is at the middle of the word? OY says oi, like in toy. See how the OY is at the end of the word?